had a request for it. Oh, here we go. It's 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. So we'll do this, and this is a quick review. So we'll do the steps and then the counts. So it's right heel, hold, and heel, and step. So right heel, hold, left heel, and step. Walk forward. Left, right, step, touch behind with the right foot. So it looks like this. Right hold and left and step. Left, right, left, touch. Then we triple step back, triple step back. Then we do a quarter triple step, out, out, clap. Then we shake to the right, shake it to the left, out, out, clap. Going forward, out, out, clap. Then we do a shuffle rock to the right, shuffle, rock left, shuffle. Now we turn a quarter to our new wall with the rock. Rock, recover. That's it. From the top, the steps with words. 5, 6, 7, 8, right heel, heel, hold, and heel, and step, 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 touch, go back, and a triple, out, out, clap. Hips right, hips left, forward, out, out, clap, out, out, clap to the right, shuffle, and rock, shuffle, quarter, and rock. You ready to start again? That's tailgate. Let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. One more time with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's tailgate. No tags, no restarts. Have fun. Quick review.